Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Zoom Story. If you are new to this channel, you are requested to subscribe my channel for more updates. Please try to watch the full video. In this tutorial, today I'll try to teach you how to simply draw an Apple 3D effect in Adobe Illustrator step by step. First click File menu, then click Place to pick the image in artboard. Reduce image opacity. Now let's make a new layer to place the image and name it outline. Today we will try to draw it in 3D mode. Select ellipse tool to create a round shape. Select effect from menu bar, then press 3D to revolve option. Click free transform to make the shape more perfect. Then we'll draw apple leaf portion. Now take a second layer and name it leaf. From the toolbar, select pen tool and draw outline smoothly. After drawing, hide the raw image. Pick another layer to give bottom shadow at background. Flat design of 3D apple in Adobe Illustrator is ready. Please try to make it more realistic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to watch later in commenting. I think this video is easy and quick to learn for graphic designers who are looking to improve their skills in Adobe Illustrator by using new tips and tricks. Please be with us to learn graphic design, embroidery design and CAD/CAM system step by step. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please share this video. Subscribe and likes will be a great support to create good content. Bye bye.